Happy 2020. Your favorite cousin is back. Hiya, Huns. It's your favorite cousin again, and I'm filled with inspiration for the new year. As you know, both my stepmommy and my ex-hubby tried to kill me last year, so I'm making this year all about me and my needs. One of the things I need most is wine, and I found the most adorable little store nearby that will deliver for free, leaving me more time for meditation and inspirational TV viewing. Wine is heart healthy, so I know my nutritional goals are on track. I've also started preparing healthy meals. Salad is really good for you, but it tends to be filled with stuff I don't like, unless it's a Jell-O salad. Here's one I really like. I use green Jell-O because green salad is healthy, and this one is also full of fruit. To make it, all you do is grease your mold and make your Jell-O according to the directions on the package. Pour it into the mold and try to avoid making a mess if you can help it. Let it sit in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes, then add your fruit. I'm adding pineapples and cherries. Let it firm up in the refrigerator, turn it out of the mold, and there you have it, salad. Don't forget the dressing. I'm so glad I found a salad I like. I used to be worried about not getting all of the things I want in life, but I've stopped worrying and started manifesting. Basically, I think of all of the things I want, and then I send the thoughts out to the universe. So far, it's working great. I wanted a box of wine recently before I found out that new store delivers, and my neighbor showed up with a box just because he wanted to see me. Also, I wanted $10,000 for a trip to my favorite spot, and I got a check in the mail, an insurance settlement from when the bear destroyed my garage last year, and it's enough for a new garage and a much-needed weekend away. Next, I need to focus on my acting career. I need to decide which roles I want to play and then get busy manifesting it. I wouldn't mind manifesting a rich, good-looking hubby, but this is the year of me, so I'm going to hold off on that for the time being. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to get back to my inspirational TV viewing and packing for my weekend away. The Velveteens will be back on Thursday with a new Liquored Up live broadcast, but don't worry, I'll see you again real soon.
Exercise 1. Swimming the backstroke. Starting position. Stand erect, legs apart, arms at sides. Movement 1. Swing arms overhead and back, making a complete circle. First right, then left, right, left. Swing right, swing left, right, left, right, left.